Now let us discuss 48. The correct structure of tribromo octaoxide is. Now let us try to write its formula. Tribromo, that means Br3 octaoxide, that means O8. What is the structure of Br3 O8? We know that tribromo octaoxide is an neutral molecule. That means it does not contain any charge. Br3O8, that means tribromo octaoxide. Here 3 bromines are present. The 8 oxygens are double bonded with bromine. Double bond, oxygen, double bond boom, double bond boom, and it's a double bond boom, double bond boom, and double bond boom, double bond boom, and a double bond boom. Here bromine now belongs to group 7. It has 7 electrons. Here now let us count the satisfy its 7 electrons or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Bromine have 7 electrons. Here oxygen belongs to group 16. It has 6 electrons. Here containing 2 lone pair of electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2 electrons are involved in bonding. That's why 5, 6. Okay, oxygen also satisfies its valency. This point Br2O8, that means tribromo oxide is a neutral molecule. It does not contain any charge. By this statement, you can easily eliminate option 2, option 3, option 4. The only left with option is 1. So our answer is 1 is our correct answer.